Hello and welcome to our latest news. Bafana Bafana and Kaizer Chiefs legend Dr. Khumalo has received an honorary doctorate degree from the Tshwane University of Technology TUT on Thursday, the 30th of April 2026. Khumalo has been one of the standout names in the South African football history, and he was part of the Bafana Bafana squad that won the 1996 African Cup of Nations AFCON. It was also Khumalo who scored the first Bafana Bafana goal after their readmission in 1992 and represented South Africa at the 1998 FIFA World Cup, South Africa's first World Cup after readmission. Khumalo has been known for his tidy ball control, dribbling skills, and playmaking abilities. He became a legend at Amakhosi, winning multiple accolades. Now he works mainly as a football analyst, and he has now been rewarded for his contributions to South African football by the Tshwane University of Technology. Here is a statement. It says, the Tshwane University of Technology is proud to officially confer upon Theophilus Dr. Khumalo an honorary doctorate of philosophy in science, in brackets, kinesiology and coaching science, through the Faculty of Science. Widely regarded as one of the greatest South African footballers in South African history, Dr. Khumalo is also highly accomplished coach, talent scout, and respected football analyst. This honorary doctorate celebrates his extraordinary journey, honors his exceptional talent, and recognizes his immense contribution to South African football, as well as his unwavering commitment to developing and inspiring the next generation of soccer stars. Congratulations, Dr. Theophilus Dr. Khumalo. That's the statement from Tshwane University of Technology. So from now on, we call him Dr. Theophilus Dr. Khumalo, or maybe we can call him Dr. Khumalo. Wow, what an honor for the legend. Very well deserved. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Dr. Khumalo being honored by the Tshwane University of Technology? Do you think it's well deserved? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.